Sergio Rodonix. In Drift Floyd, we create Psy Trance, cosmic psychedelic rock, and Darkwave, blending hypnotic rhythms and rich textures to move emotions.
Hello, I'm Daniel Vex, vocalist and lead guitarist of Drift Floyd. We create Psy Trance, cosmic rock, and Darkwave, blending hypnotic rhythms and textures to move emotion.
Hello, I'm Violet Hahn, singer and keyboardist of Drift Floyd. We create Psy Trance, music that connects emotion, light, and rhythm into one cosmic flow.
Hey, I'm Drumbit, drummer of Drift Floyd. Our sound fuses rhythm and emotion, driving cosmic energy